5 best fat-burning exercises if you want to look fit and get rid of belly fat as fast as possible. Then this video is definitely for you, because I'll show you 5 best fat-burning exercises. So, let's go. Running. Number 1. Running is a popular form of exercise, cherished for its simplicity, affordability, and accessibility. When we discuss fat burning, we essentially referring to fat oxidation. This process involves breaking down stored fat to provide fuel for movement. Fat oxidation primarily occurs during aerobic activities, where oxygen plays a crucial role. As you run, your body utilizes oxygen to break down fat molecules, releasing energy. The peak fat oxidation occurs at a moderate running intensity. As you increase your pace, fat oxidation gradually decreases. So, finding that sweet spot where you re-exerting effort but not sprinting is essential. For example, running at a speed of 8 km per hour burns 670 kilocalories per hour. Running alone, 1 t melt away fat. Instead, it contributes to fat loss by creating a caloric deficit. To lose weight, including fat, you need to consume fewer calories than you expend. Running burns calories, contributing to this deficit. However, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet to ensure overall health. Beyond the immediate calorie burn during your run, there is an intriguing phenomenon called excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. After a workout, your body continues to burn calories at a slightly elevated level because it takes time to replenish the energy used during taxing physical activities like running. This contributes to additional fat burn even after running session. Jumping jacks. Number 2. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks serve as an effective tool for weight loss and fat burning. When you perform jumping jacks, your heart rate increases significantly. This cardiovascular workout gets your blood pumping, which is essential for burning calories and fat. Research shows that jumping jacks burn an average of 12 kilocalories per minute. Jumping jacks engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Your legs, arms, core, and shoulders all come into play. This muscle activation not only burns calories during the exercise, but also contributes to overall fat loss. The rapid movement of jumping jacks revs up your metabolism. A higher metabolic rate means your body burns more energy, including stored fat, even after you've finished exercising. Squats. Number 3. Squats. When it comes to shedding those extra pounds, squats might not be the first exercise that pops into your mind. However, these seemingly simple movements pack a powerful punch when it comes to fat loss. Squats allow you to build more overall muscle. As you increase muscle mass, your body becomes more efficient at burning calories, even at rest. For instance, 10 pounds of muscle burns around 50 kilocalories per day, while the same weight of fat only burns 20 kilocalories. Squats can burn more kilocalories per minute than many other exercises. In fact, research shows that squats burn an average of 35 kilocalories per minute. Squatting triggers a metabolic and hormonal response conducive to weight loss. Growth hormone, cortisol, and insulin-like growth factor play significant roles in stimulating muscle growth and tissue regeneration. A study found that performing 6 sets of squats effectively drives these hormonal responses. Regular squatting can lead to better body composition. As you build muscle and shed fat, your overall physique improves. Remember that spot reduction, losing fat from specific areas, is not effective. However, squats contribute to overall fat loss, including stubborn areas like the belly. Jumping rope. Number 4. Jumping rope. Jumping rope is a powerful workout that can help you shed those extra pounds. Jumping rope is a high-intensity exercise that engages multiple muscle groups. In just 5 minutes, you can torch approximately 50-70 calories. When you jump rope, you activate almost every muscle in your body, including your legs, arms, core, and back. This comprehensive engagement means you burn a significant number of kilocalories in a short amount of time. For instance, 20 minutes of jump rope can burn up to 241 kilocalories for a person weighing 200 pounds or 91 kilograms. Jump rope is an excellent cardiovascular exercise. It gets your heart rate up, improving cardiovascular health and endurance. The sustained movement of jumping rope helps you maintain an elevated heart rate, leading to effective calorie burn. Achieving meaningful weight loss involves more than just calories in, calories out. It requires a well-rounded approach. While a calorie deficit is essential for weight loss, preserving lean muscle mass is equally crucial. Jump rope helps achieve both. As you lose weight, maintaining muscle mass becomes vital. More muscle mass burns more calories at rest, contributing to fat loss. Jump rope not only burns calories, but also helps you maintain muscle while shedding fat. Burpees. Number 5. Burpees. Burpees, often dubbed as the full body workout, are a powerful and efficient exercise that engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Whether you love them or dread them, there is no denying their effectiveness. Burpees are intense and require significant energy expenditure. When you perform a set of burpees, your heart rate spikes, and you burn calories rapidly. The combination of explosive movements, like jumping and body weight resistance, such as push-ups, ensures that you torch calories during each repetition. Burpees burn an average of 12 kilocalories per minute. The magic of burpees lies in their ability to elevate your metabolism even after you've finished your workout. Due to the high-intensity nature of burpees, your body continues to burn calories at an accelerated rate post-exercise. In simple terms, burpees keep your metabolic furnace stoked long after you've completed your last repetition. Burpees engage major muscle groups, including your legs, core, chest, and arms. As you perform explosive jumps and push-ups, you're not only burning fat but also building lean muscle mass. More muscle means a higher resting metabolic rate, which translates to more efficient fat burning throughout the day. By the way, friends, be sure to watch other videos on this channel. Links are on the screen right now. See you soon.